part 1 of this tutorial, we saw how to pair this device with your cloud when your cloud is new and has no existing data. In this part of the tutorial, we'll look at how to pair a device where existing data already exists on the device and in the cloud. This is a more common scenario for pairing your devices. Either you've upgraded from a previous version, or you have already paired one or more devices, and so there is already data in your cloud. Okay, so let's open the settings and we can see the cloud status icon is red. This means it's not paired. So we'll go into Cloud Admin, type in our password, and then choose Pair this device. In step 1, we look at learners. Now, on this device, I've got 3 learners that are not paired with the cloud, and all my other learners already are paired with the cloud. And that's because I've upgraded this from version 3.5, and those learners were previously linked to the cloud. So I need to add these 3 new learners on my device that the cloud doesn't know about to the cloud. So I'll tap the button next to Angela Smith, and the cloud has found near matches. And we know we've already added Angela Smith last time we paired a device. So we're going to pair this learner to Angela Smith already existing in the cloud. Now, with Anna Hope, I'm quite sure she's not already in the cloud. So let's tap the button next to Anna, and yes, the device has found a near match, but it's not what we want. So on this occasion, we're going to create a new learner for Anna Hope. And then lastly, for Annie Smith, we'll tap the button, and yes, we can see Annie Smith already exists in the cloud, and so we're going to match that learner to Annie Smith that already exists in the cloud. Great, so all our learners have now been paired with the cloud. We can move on to step 2. Now in step 2, we're looking at groups, and we know we've already added Gemma's group and Rachel's group to our cloud data, so we don't want to add them again. That'll create a duplicate. We'll just delete them for now and move on to step 3. Step 3, we'll pair frameworks. Now we've got EYFS and P-Scales, so we'll tap the button next to EYFS, and we can either create a new framework or link to an existing one in the cloud. So let's pair with EYFS in the cloud. And then with P-Scales, let's do the same. We'll tap the button, we can see it's already in the cloud, we'll pair with that one, and that's done. So all our frameworks are paired, we can look at date ranges. Now we know we've already got autumn term in the cloud, so we're going to delete this autumn term from the device. Otherwise we'll create a duplicate. And let's move on to step 5, tags. We know we've got these 4 tags already in the cloud data, so let's pair each one with the existing one in the cloud. And now our tags are paired, let's look at step 6, our comment templates. So this comment already exists in the cloud, and if we add it, we'll duplicate that. So we're going to delete it from the device. And that's it. We've completed the setup, we've paired this device. The cloud now knows about all the data on this device, and when we capture some evidence for learners, the cloud will know where to store that evidence. And likewise, any changes made to learners, groups and so on in the cloud will be reflected on this device. And as before, we can see there's a green light on our cloud status. So now let's add the groups, date ranges and comment templates that we deleted whilst pairing this device.